Hey guys, you're ready to buy your girl Thai, and I'm back with another video. So as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be hitting you lots with a cooking vlog. I'm gonna be whipping it up in the kitchen because if you didn't know, I'm basically a chef. I go to chef college, I have my own business. I'm gonna leave that on the screen right now. Go follow. Okay, so now that you followed, I'm gonna tell you what I'll be making. So today I'm making ackee and saltfish. If you don't know what that is, it's Jamaican cuisine, Caribbean cuisine. But yeah, before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, hit the bell so you know every time I post, because like I say, I'm always consistent and it's about to get lit around here, and that's on period. Obviously I'm not the best chef in the world, but you gotta rate my thing. I can cook it up in the kitchen, trust me. But yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so right now we are in my kitchen and I've got everything set up to start making the ackee and saltfish. So what I'm going to do first is wash my hands, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what ingredients I've got. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so basically I just finished washing my hands, and over here I've got some of the stuff that I'm going to be using. I've got rice on the stove already that's going to start cooking, but I boiled off my saltfish, and this is cod, but I have to still debone it because it's got the bones in it. Ackee looks like this. Ackee is a fruit, if you didn't know guys. This is what ackee looks like. And then on the chopping board here I've just got some onion, garlic, scotch bonnet, spring onion, what's this, tomato and peppers, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, and then some thyme, garlic powder, salt. Ooh, black pepper. I need some black pepper. Black pepper, garlic powder, and then some other things. But yeah, let's get straight into cooking. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've chopped up all my veg. So here, white onion, red and yellow bell peppers, tomato, spring onion, garlic and scotch bonnet. If I feel like I need more spice, I'll add the other half, but for now I've added half of the scotch bonnet, plus there's seeds there as well, so the seeds will make it more heavy. But yeah, so now what I'm going to do is put the oil in the pan, let that heat up slightly, and then I'm going to start frying my vegetables. So yeah, let me show you guys. On the back stove here, there's rice in it, and I washed it already. I washed the rice already, and in there there's a bit of butter and salt. But yeah, so in the pan I'm gonna add some oil. So guys, now I'm gonna add the oil. Yeah, and then I'm gonna let the oil heat up, and I'm gonna start frying my vegetables. Guys, I'm gonna add the onion. Don't make the oil too hot. In fact, I'm going to turn it down a bit. But yeah, add the onions and let them cook till they're translucent. But now the main focus is going to be the food, so I'm going to show you guys the food properly now. Okay guys, so now the vegetables are basically done frying. So I forgot to mention the saltfish I boiled from the day before to let off the salt, and I reboiled it 3 times so that all the salt was out. But now what you do is you add the saltfish to the pan and let that cook down with the vegetables so that it gets flavour. But to this, I add salt, and I can't lie guys, I don't really do measurements. I know my flavours, so I just put it in as much as I need. Okay guys, so now what I do is I add the ackee into the pot, and ackee doesn't need long to cook down because otherwise it will go too mushy. So I add it and I don't really stir it. I toss it around a bit, and then after a while I just leave it so that it can cook down by itself. But you can't forget the thyme, so I add a few sprigs of thyme. And then I cover it over and allow it to cook down. Okay guys, so my ackee and saltfish is finished cooking, and this is what it's looking like. So now I'm gonna finish plating up and I'll show you guys the final product. But yeah. Okay guys, so I've finished cooking and this is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like, my ackee and saltfish. So I'm gonna go and eat now guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. Make sure to try it out. I'll leave the recipe in the description that I use in the description down below. And yeah, tell me what yours tastes like as well. But bye guys.